Good morning. It's the first day of Bragg. Bragg Spring Tune-Up. I'm here in Rutledge, Georgia. Everybody's just kind of getting ready in the hour before our ride start. And yeah, there's 3 different routes for today. There's an 11-mile route, a 27-mile route that I'm going to do, and then there's a 69-mile route. And then Saturday and Sunday, there's other options as well. So it's been really cool so far. I got here yesterday afternoon, and a lot of people were here already setting up, and there's already a food truck here, and yeah, and slept pretty well last night considering it was in the 40s and a little bit noisy, but overall quiet campers, which was nice to be able to get some sleep before our ride today. All right, y'all, just had an awesome ride. We did, I did 27 miles, and now I'm back at the farm, and I was gonna take a shower, but it seems like there's only 2 showers right now, and there's already a long line, and I feel like I'm not that stinky. So I'm just sitting down for lunch, which I'll show you here. May discuss some, may excite others. This is some sweet potato tortilla chips, some Mexicorn from just a can, and then some jalapeno peppers from a can as well. And to top it all off, I'm gonna add some canned nacho cheese. Zesty. Bon appetit. Good morning from Rutledge, Georgia, and Bragg Spring Tune-Up Day 2. What are we doing today, Justin?
60 miles.
60?
40 miles.
42 miles, not 60 miles.
40 miles.
Is there a 60-something mile route? I think so, yeah. And Amos is here and he's freezing because it's only like 60 degrees.
And there's other dogs.
He's stressed about that.
People.
But we're excited. And we'll update later. We're doing a different route than yesterday, of course. How are you feeling so far? First Bragg ride, 10 miles in.
Excellent. This is so cool.
What do you like about it?
I feel, even though I haven't talked to anybody, I feel like one with a large group of people that we've never seen before.
Yeah.
It's exciting that there's good and interesting people.
Yes. And there's Cheetos and snacks at the rest stops. Well-stocked rest stops. All right, so we're here. We just hit mile 38 of today's ride. It's been super awesome. Super rideable course. Plenty of hills for us flatlanders from Savannah. And Amos has been having a good time after initially hating the cold. It's nice and sunny and pretty warm now, but not too warm. And yeah, we're gonna ride 4 more miles back to our campground, get some food, some beers, and some showers. Dinner time at the compound. What have we made? It looks amazing. It's a peanut butter, spicy peanut butter pasta. Severely lacking in salt because we forgot to bring any, but it's delicious after a long day. And the campsite has sort of emptied out, which is nice. A little bit more privacy.
Some more what?
Privacy. Good morning.
Good morning.
What are we doing today?
Same thing we do every day. Biking.
All right, YouTube, we are on the road again. We've finished our 27-mile ride for today, 28-mile ride. It was amazing, super fun. Like I said earlier, really nice weather. And yeah, sadly, we do have to return to our lives back in Savannah, our jobs. Waiting for this guy at the stop sign. All right. And yeah, super fun event. Would totally do it again, and would do another brag event for sure. So yeah, hope you enjoy all the footage that I got for you, and we'll see you next time. Justin, what is this?
Black rat snake.
We're gonna hopefully get it out of the road. Whoosh! He's not happy about that.
Wait till this car gets out of the way. Ooh, look at his tail swagging.
We could throw my old shirt over it and move it with that.
Oh. Everything okay here?
Yeah, just trying to get out of the road.
I just got a stick and give him a little toss.
Oh, yeah, right?
Don't get run over.
We don't want you dying, little guy. There's a little stick right here. It's not that long. Or that other one. Beautiful.
What is it?
A black rat snake.
Photo op.
Very pretty.